Hello. This is a preview of the Matthew voice on ChannelEmpire. I am ready to bring your channel scripts to life. In 1518, a woman in Strasbourg started dancing in the street. Then more people joined her. And soon, dozens were had a serious problem. Thousands of emus were destroying crops. So the military was called in. Armed with machine guns, soldiers In 1970, a dead whale washed up on a beach in Oregon. Officials needed it gone. So they made a wild choice. They used dynamite. The plan was to blast the whale into tiny pieces. After a hunt was organized for Napoleon, someone made a huge mistake. They gathered hundreds of rabbits for the event.